Welcome to EuromanDriver.com. Today I'm test driving and reviewing the new Volvo XC40 compact SUV. A nice and sporty looking premium SUV on this sunny day, cold and sunny. So this one is gonna compete with the Audi Q3 or the new Audi Q3 when it comes out, and the Jaguar E-Pace. Look at the nice headlights, Thor's hammer they call it. And it's also gonna compete with the Mercedes GLC SUV. A very nice looking car that also looks very practical. Let's check it out inside. It has a bigger trunk than the Jaguar E-Pace. That means it's already more practical. Storage space down here, but a very large square storage space here in the trunk, just as big as in the Volkswagen Tiguan. Let's have a look inside. Material wise, it's very nice designed. A mix with soft plastics and some cloth here. And look at this. It has a lot of space here in the second row. That surprised me a little bit actually, even though I've seen it before. Beautiful air vents. It smells really nice in this car. It has, of course, leather seats. Mid armrest. 2 Isofix spots. So you can fit 2 baby seats. Oi, look at this. Very nice. This is a very, very nice car. Look at this. Lots of space here. Storage spaces for magazines. This feels very nice. It feels bigger inside than outside in a way. It has so much space. Great family car, even with 2 adults and 2 teenagers. Very nice details. A little different interior up here on the front doors. Beautiful interior. Virtual cockpit, full virtual cockpit. Nice sport seats. This is the R-Line version. This car also has a petrol engine, T5 petrol engine, automatic transmission, and of course all-wheel drive. And inside it looks really pretty, very pretty, very premium. I made a video already. of the XC40, but just a walk around, and now I'm gonna test drive it. Very excited. Let's start the engine. Very nice touchscreen right here. And you have some storage space here. Two cup holders. Very nice and practical car. So let's go have a test drive in the new Volvo XC40 compact SUV 2018. Let's go. This is a very, very, very nice car to drive. And if I directly compare to Jaguar E-Pace, I think this is a better car. I've tried the Jaguar E-Pace with the petrol engine as well, but this one is much more refined, more smooth, and it's not noisy at all, but still it feels more sporty in the handling, and the acceleration is really nice. The automatic transmission is perfect, suspension is perfect. This is a perfect compact SUV. So if you want a perfect car, a perfect SUV for your family, you should go and have a test drive in this one, because I'm impressed and I've tried a lot of SUVs. Yeah, Volvo has done it again. Volvo XC90, Volvo XC60, and now the small compact that is gonna compete with Volkswagen Tiguan, Jaguar E-Pace, Skoda Karoq to go down a little level maybe, and CDTiga. This is as sporty as CDTiga in my opinion. People say that CDTiga is very, very sporty, but this one beats CDTiga. It's also more expensive, but you can also buy very expensive CDTigas and Volkswagen Tiguans. But interior wise, this is above all of them. And I can also compare this with the Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 also has a very nice interior design, but this one is better, more premium, that's for sure. It drives really nice. It feels solid planted on the road, and I told you already that the acceleration is very nice. And when you brake, it's very smooth as well, but very solid. No big surprises. It feels like a sports car in a way. Hatchback on big wheels. It's so easy to drive, and I really like the feeling of the steering. It's not too light, it's not too heavy, it's in between. It's very nice. This is a car that I would consider buying, and I would recommend you to go and test this yourself. It feels just as premium as the Jaguar E-Pace, but I would prefer this one. This is my favorite, because it's driving better. It feels much better when you sit here. You have the same high seating position. It's very nice, but it's just the engine feels more silent and more refined. The only thing I think is a little funny is this big center screen right here. They could have made it maybe smaller or something. Okay. go. The acceleration is really, really nice. I predict this is gonna be one of the top selling models in the Volvo SUV program because it's cheaper than the XC60, of course. And this petrol engine sounds really good. So if you're afraid of diesel engines, this petrol T5 all-wheel drive automatic transmission is the one you will love. It's so silent and very, very nice. And there's almost no cabin noise. The Jaguar E-Pace has a little cabin noise actually when you drive on highways. This one is more silent than Jaguar E-Pace. Maybe you agree, maybe you disagree, but that's just my experience. Also very nice steering. Some people will think maybe it's too small, but yeah, I think it's very nice. It makes it easy to get around town, and it feels also sporty, of course. So go have a test drive in your local Volvo dealership yourself, and check this out because I recommend this Volvo XC40. Please visit EuromanDriver.com to see more car reviews and car news. And also please subscribe to my channel. That would be very helpful.